exception handling, that type.
Mhm.
So that's all about
So
myself.
your tech stack is into Java, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Java, Spring Boot,
Our Spring Boot.
microservices, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Have
And
you worked?
MySQL also.
Okay.
Database I have used MySQL.
Okay. So have you worked on any cloud technologies?
No, sir. Cloud can my another team will work on the type part, but I have not worked. AWS my company is using right now time.
Okay. Okay. So you are doing hands-on coding at the moment, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So can you share your screen and open Notepad for me?
Okay, just a minute. Is it visible? Is it visible, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. So Notepad, any ID also?
No.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, am I audible? Notepad.
Yeah. Notepad. Okay, okay. Okay.
So pasted a question on the chat. Can you paste it on Notepad?
Just a minute. Okay. Okay.
Let me know if you have any doubts.
Write a function that takes in a string of global instance not written in the written index string first. Okay. Non-repeating character like A, B, C, D, C, A, F. What is one? Okay, so can I write code or firstly I will explain.
So first let's discuss your approach. What are you thinking?
Yeah, yeah. So, sir, there I am using the for loop because one by
Uh,
one we will increase like I equal to 0. After that, I less than s dot length because like there is length is 3, 4, 5, 6,
mm-hmm.
and after that I will increase one by one like I plus plus. And after that inside body I will write there I will take as a char like char c is equal to c dot char at, and after that I will storing, and one by one I will check one by one. After that I will increase, and I after that I will check like index of c is equal to s dot last index, but means I am checking one by one, and after that I will return.
Okay. So how are you finding whether it is repeating or not?
Sir, because one by one we are checking now. One by one, like A. After that, in the last index, I am checking, and one by one I will increasing
Mhm.
to like after that B, B2, then C, after that D, that type.
Okay. So what would be the time complexity of this approach?
Like sir, I am using the for loop, so below of n.
How many for loops are you using?
Sir, I am using the for loop. After that, I will use inside the if condition. So I am
Mm-hmm.
using the only one loop, one for loop I am using.
Okay. So with one for loop and if statement, how are you how do you track? I mean, firstly, explain me the requirement of this and what do you understand is the requirement of this problem?
So they're like means we want to give the character who's not repeating, right?
Uh-huh. The character or the index.
Yeah, character of index, I know.
Huh. Huh.
If you
So
give me chance, so I can write a code after that
yeah,
one by
sure.
one.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Please go ahead. Please write the method. The name of the method would be get index, right?
Okay, okay,
And take the input as a string, as a parameter, put parameter.
okay, okay.
Don't have to write the main method. Let it be.
Inside I will write input we will take, and after that
No, that is fine. That is fine. Leave it. Leave it.
leave it.
Input, so you input is coming in S only, right? So now let's see. I mean, you have started from 0 to S dot length. Char C is S dot caret of I. So
Hmm.
that's the first character. If index of C,
Like on that time, like
so
char c is equal to c dot char at I. So there my means I am one by one I am storing like zero, after that one, after one less than s dot length we can say, and checks after that.
that is fine. But what are you doing here? Let me wait. One second.
Mhm.
So what does this mean? S dot index of C is equal to S dot last index of C.
It's mean like one by one I am checking like means we can say if checked whether the index of the first like there is zero, so we can say like index occurrence of the character c in the string like s, and it is equal
Index
to
after
the
that.
index of the last character. So after that it they are the same, it means the character means appears only once in the string we can say. One by one we are checking that types. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So means I mean you are doing S dot last index of C,
Hmm.
correct?
Okay.
But the loop is one only. I mean, can you give me a dry run? Dry run this. Tell me how it will work for the input I gave. A B C D C F.
ABCD, okay. Like after it will work as a like I equal to zero. So like A,
Hmm?
So
Huh?
there is storing the zero. So zero index, there is a, so it will storing the
What
c.
C? Huh? C will have A. Okay.
Okay, after that it will checking like c, there is a s dot index of a, there is a,
Huh?
like we can say like the character at index 0 is a, so check in the index of the first of a. After that it is occurrence of a is equal of the index of the last, like last index of a,
Huh?
like 0 1 2 3 4 5, 5 length na, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in the case the first occurrent index is 0 and the last index is 5, means they are not the same.
Okay. Okay.
Means that we can say like I am starting in the 0 index, and second inside the second side we are checking the in the last index, we can say.
Mm-hmm.
And after that the one by one we are moving, and it is same after it will return, then it will not same, so index is not same, so that time I am using.
So
And yeah.
okay. So when the for loop comes to second A, right?
Mm-hmm.
A B C D C A B C D C A F, right?
Yeah.
So when the for loop comes to the second A, what will that if statement return?
Like sir, there is a starting like a and last index is f. Is it not equal, so it will return the -1. But again it will check in the second one, like second index in last inside second, then it will equal to equal, both are equal, so after that it will return the I. That types I am
No, no,
check.
I'm saying
Hmm.
second A is there, na? Second last character is A,
Mm-hmm.
correct?
Okay.
So what happens when the pointer comes to that A? So S dot index of C is equal to S
S
dot
dot
last
last index
index of
of
C.
C.
What will this give you? Will it give it true or false?
So true it will give no.
If it gives true, it will return I.
Means we are yeah sir, it will give true.
Should it give true?
So mean no means it is true. So we will not return -1. We will return like what can I say? Return we will I. Then it is equal and it will give the true.
Are you getting what I'm saying?
So means we can say like check whether the index of the first occurrence of the character C in the string S, and
Hmm.
string C in the string S is equal of the index of the last occurrent, so we can say of the characters, then they are the same. It means the character only once in the string.
That is what I'm saying. When you have reached the last
Last A,
A,
right?
right?
Okay.
So that will give you a true, right? S dot index of C is equal to S dot last index of C. This is true then, correct?
Yeah, right sir, correct.
Yeah. So it will return the index of that A, correct?
Yeah. Yes sir.
That is not
But
the output, na?
no sir, but it is not same na. C. C. uh, But sir, we are searching